Let's verify this identity. The cosine of alpha plus beta plus the cosine of alpha minus beta is equal to 2 times the cosine of alpha cosine of beta. Well, to start off, we have to pick one of the two sides. Of course, the way we think about doing this, we either pick the more complicated side, or the way I like to think about, the side on which I see something to do. So that's going to be the left-hand side here. Because what I'm thinking about are my addition and subtraction formulas for cosine. So let's remind ourselves what those are. We have the cosine of alpha plus or minus beta. Now remember that the cosine formula has the pattern cosine cosine, so cosine alpha cosine beta, minus plus. The plus goes with the minus goes with the plus, sine alpha sine beta. Always remember that this cosine formula, plus minus minus plus, right? Those are the ones that go together, and then the pattern over here, cosine cosine sine sine. And I'm going to use those identities where appropriate here. So I'm going to start off with the cosine of alpha plus beta. So I'm going to use this top equation. So cosine of alpha plus beta would become cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. All right, and now the cosine of alpha minus beta. Read the difference formula part, starting with the minus down there, ending with the plus there. Plus, that's that plus right there. Cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta. All right, I'm going to get rid of these because I've referred to those as much as I'm going to in this video. And let's remember that with any trig identity, we should justify our steps as we verify them. So I like to drop a semicolon there and my reason next to it, and I've kind of run out of board space here. So I'm going to sneak my reason back in up here. Those are the addition and subtraction formula for cosine. All right, well, just looking across here, I see nicely that those cancel off. And then I have the cosine of alpha cosine beta plus the cosine of alpha cosine beta. And, well, that's 2 of those, and that's where I was trying to get this one. So let's see. I subtracted, and I added. And we've reached the right-hand side, and we verified that identity.